Noise can affect the human health and well-being in number of ways. So here we are going to discuss what are the harmful effects of noise pollution. So first one, you can see that exposure to a sudden high noise level can cause a permanent hearing loss. So if you are exposing with a high level noise, that leads to a permanent hearing loss. Mostly you can see that prolonged exposure to a noise with the volume more than 70 decibel can cause a gradual hearing loss. So if you are continuously exposing with the volume of a sound, it is greater than 70 decibel, that may lead to what is that gradual loss of hearing. And one more effect, you can see that high noise level can also lead to a nervous tension and increase of blood pressure and sleep deprivation. You can see that. So these are the harmful effects in which noise pollution can affect our body. Now we will discuss what are the various methods we have to follow to control this noise pollution. So we can see that planting the land used to reduce the noise. That means we have to plant the trees. That means we have to create a buffer zones between the residential areas and roads. So that will help us to reducing this noise pollution. That is one of the most effective method we can follow. Another is reducing the noise emission by developing low noise products. That means we have to develop devices which is having better silences, especially in the case of automobiles and all. So we have to develop the machines in such a way that they have low noise. So that will help to reducing the noise pollution. Then another measure we can take is measures such as screens and enclosures around the machinery to obstruct the path of this noise. So we can keep this machinery in some enclosed containers. So that will help to reducing the emission of sound from these machines. So that will help to people those who are working nearby these machines as well as nearby the residential areas. Then one more method we can see that is use of a double glazed glass in windows to keep out the noise. So we can use a double glazed windows. So that will help to reducing the noise pollution. And fifth point, we can see that control over recreational noise such as loudspeaker. So we have to play our music system, television, all these things in a minimum volume, which is what is needed. So that much of volume only we can use for playing this type of systems. And one more method we can follow is increasing the public awareness by providing factual information of the harmful effects. So we have to give a public awareness among these people. What are the harmful effects of noise pollution? So people themselves try to reduce this noise pollution. Then only we are able to control this sound pollution or a noise pollution in a better and effective way. Okay.